Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your Wallops daily weather briefing for Tuesday, April 10th. We were seeing some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning, but we do anticipate to see some more sunnier skies as we go into the afternoon hours. And we are going to be looking at a warm-up as we go toward the latter half of this week. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see another unseasonably cool day across the region with most locations reporting temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. A couple locations down the Tidewater and near Richmond did get near 50 degrees yesterday with a high of 47 here at Wallops. This morning we did see fairly seasonable low temperatures with locations to the north reporting mid 30s. Locations across the Delmarva were reporting lows in the lower 40s with mid 40s in the Tidewater. We did see some spotty rain showers across the area, mainly along the coast here on the Delmarva overnight, associated with a weak low well to the south of the region. Seeing just a couple hundredths of an inch here at Wallops, with Ocean City seeing the most at a tenth of an inch. As of 9 a.m., we were seeing another cool morning across the area with all locations reporting temperatures in the mid 40s. We were seeing cloudier skies here along the Delmarva with some more partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies areas further west. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we were seeing some northerly winds fairly light at the surface. Then just above the surface we're seeing those winds more north-northwesterly around 15 to 20 knots. And then those winds were quickly shifting west-southwesterly at 6,000 feet, around 30 knots, gradually increasing from the west-southwest up to 80 knots at 20,000 feet, and then maxing out at a impressive 117 knots at the 25,000 foot level. We were seeing a freezing level this morning at 3,500 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you see that weak low there well to the southeast of the Delmarva that helped give some spotty light rain showers and drizzle across the region last night, and helped to give us some more cloudier conditions early this morning. That low will continue to move well away from the country as high pressure moves into the area, and as high pressure moves in, that's going to help to clear out those skies as we go into late this afternoon, and we should be seeing mostly sunny skies as we go into tomorrow, as well as that high pressure starts to establish itself across the mid-Atlantic. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, we're seeing some more of those cloudier skies at the beginning of this loop, and then as we go towards the end, we are seeing things start to clear out a bit. We did see some brief low cloudiness develop in the past couple hours, but that does look like it's starting to scour out as well as high pressure starts to build in a little bit more and help to clear things out a bit. We are seeing temperatures still in the mid 40s, but we do anticipate those to rise into the lower to mid 50s as we go into this afternoon. Still a couple of degrees below average for this time of year. Taking a look at our forecast charts this morning. For this afternoon, we're going to continue to see that low move well away from the area as skies clear, as high pressure builds in from the west. As we go into tonight, high pressure will start to really build in over the area, and that's going to give us opportunity for some radiational cooling, so we can expect a pretty chilly night, looking at lows in the mid to perhaps lower 30s tonight under mostly clear skies. As we go into tomorrow morning, going to be just seeing a pretty pleasant day, only seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, so still slightly cool for this time of year, but high pressure will be in control, which will mean we'll be seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies across the region as we go into Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon. Now, as we go into Wednesday evening, that high pressure is going to shift east of the southeastern states, and that is going to bring a south to southwesterly flow back across the mid-Atlantic for Wednesday night. So that is going to bump up our low for Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then as we go into Thursday, we are going to see that high really start to establish itself to the south of the area. And we are going to be seeing a weak low pass across the Great Lakes. Not expecting really any precipitation or cloudiness even from that, but that is going to help to tighten up the pressure gradient across the Delmarva, giving us some breezy southwesterly winds as well as ushering in a warmer air mass. So we are expecting a slightly above average day temperature-wise for our Thursday as that southwesterly flow starts to really bring in that warmer air. So taking a look at our weather chart for today, we aren't going to be seeing any weather hazards as winds are only going to get to around 8 to 13 knots from the north. We are going to be seeing a high of around 54 today this afternoon with decreasing clouds. And as we go into tonight, those winds will get weak and then becoming north-northeasterly after midnight from 3 to 8 knots into Wednesday morning. With that, those mostly clear skies expected. As high pressure moves over the area, we're going to be seeing some chance for some radiational cooling. So it is going to be chilly tomorrow morning with a low of 35 expected here at Wallops. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we're going to start to see those lower clouds scour out as we go throughout the morning hours. And this afternoon, we should just be seeing a few to scattered deck at that 4,000 foot level, possibly still seeing some 7,000 foot clouds lingering, and then we're going to see some upper level cirrus near 25,000 feet moving into the area. By tonight, we'll see those lower level clouds near 4,000 feet clear out, and then just be seeing some patchy thin cirrus clouds at 25,000 foot level for most of the night, and then tomorrow morning possibly seeing a few clouds at 5,000 feet creep into the area, still seeing some cirrus clouds. For the next couple days, for Wednesday, we're going to be looking at a partly cloudy and pleasant day with a high of 56, just a couple degrees below average for this time of year. Wednesday night is when that high pressure is going to shift east of the area, giving us that return flow. So we are going to be expecting a bit of a warmer low of 43 under partly cloudy skies. On Thursday, that high is going to start to strengthen as that low passes well north of the area, and that is going to tighten the pressure gradient, like I mentioned, across the region, giving us breezy winds at times, but also giving us a warmer high of 66 degrees. Taking a look at the next 7 days, today and tomorrow are going to be the coolest days in the extended outlook, with highs only in the mid-50s. And then Thursday is when we get that warm up as that flow shifts more southwesterly across the region. So we are expecting a very nice day on Thursday, although it will be breezy of 66. And then when that flow really starts to amp up and bring in some more moisture to the area, we're going to get a pretty mild low Friday morning of only 54 degrees, and then as you can see, Friday and Saturday are going to be very warm across the region, with temperatures running into the mid-70s for both Friday and Saturday, with mild lows in the mid-50s as well for both those days. Now, we are going to be having a front approach the area, and that's another reason these southerly winds are going to be ramped up for Friday and Saturday ahead of that front. There is some model discrepancy on the details of that frontal passage for our Sunday and Monday. It does look like a fairly decent chance of seeing some widely scattered shower activity on Sunday, as we get some prefrontal energy moving across the area. There is model discrepancies, as one of our GFS model does have that southerly flow continuing throughout the day Sunday, but the European model does show a backdoor cold front actually dropping through the region on Sunday, giving us some cooler temperatures as well as a more increased cloud cover and shower activity. So we are going to have to see exactly what the models come to an agreement upon, and that will have a big impact on what the temperature is going to be for Sunday. However, models do agree that that main cold front is going to sweep through the region sometime between Sunday evening and the first half of the day on Monday, and it does look like we are going to be getting some pretty heavy rain as that front moves through the area, possibly even some thunderstorms as well, but that is going to be dependent on timing issues and if we continue to see that warmer air mass across the region ahead of that front, or we get that possible backdoor cold front for Sunday. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.